What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about week 8 of the Supreme drop list. So you know, they got pretty cool accessories this week. I haven't seen the drop list all the way through, I've just skimmed it and seen some stuff. But yeah, let's get right into it and go over it and see what I like this week. But before we get into it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new and haven't already, and leave a comment down below what's your favorite item of this week. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing that we have right here is this monogram button-up shirt. You know, this is actually really hideous. Like, I don't know what they were thinking when they made this. I think it says Supreme in some spots, some areas, but you know, I don't like this personally. They have it in orange, like this navy blue and this black, but yeah, this is absolute garbage and I do not like it at all. Next thing they have is these Chino Twill Gel C logo 6-panel hats. I like Supreme 6-panel hats. They're always pretty dope and they fit good on the head, but just they could have chose something better to put in the center, like, you know, like a better S logo instead of this one. This one's all really weird and it's just like a big ass button on it, and I personally do not like it at all. None of the colorways look good. Then we have this velour football jersey. I like this like baby blue one. That one's actually pretty dope. And then they got the other one in the Gucci colorway, but then they have a black and the yellow. Yeah, probably the only thing that's saving these are the colorways, to be honest, because this isn't anything different than they've done before with these football jerseys. But yeah, they're all velour. I think it's velour all the way, or just some spot. It looks like it's a velour all the way. It's just super. It looks kind of soft and like kind of like suede. But yeah, the only thing that are saving these this week are those colorways. And I'm sure the Gucci one will sell out the fastest. Then you've got this Sharkskin Suit. This looks like any regular suit. Just because Supreme made it, we all know that it's going to be taxed super high, and just $500 for that suit. Yeah, fuck that. That's a no-go. Then you have these reversible puffy work jackets. I actually think these are pretty dope. Not only because of the designs, this looks absolutely insane, especially that red and yellow one, but just because if you don't want to be all loud, you know, out in these streets, you can flip it inside out and just have, you know, what the hell is that? You can have Supreme right there on the left chest, right there up above. But yeah, if you don't want it to be too loud, you could reverse it inside out, or if you want to, you know, shock the world and let them know that you're loud, you can flip it the other way and have that crazy design. So I do like these. I personally like, honestly, all the colorways are pretty dope, but my favorite one is that red and yellow one. Then we have this striped hoodie right here. It's nothing crazy. They're using that classic font right there on the left chest. And in a green and a black and then a pink. Probably the black one looks the most decent one out of all these three, but yeah, there's nothing crazy. Then we have these new era beanies that, oh my lord. Look, if they would have just had the ARC logo Supreme like that, these would be fire. I don't care. All the colors are sweet, especially that beige, like off-white kind of one. That one is fire. But they just had to add these other two logos that look absolutely hideous and make this beanie look like a complete ass. I'm not a fan. I wish if they would have took those out, I would have been a fan of these beanies. And they're not loose cage either, so. Alright, then we have these university tops. There's nothing, they're plain old shirts that they always release, and we all know that it's gonna be super taxed on. $54, not, well, I thought it was gonna be more expensive, but $54 for these shirts, it's a no-go for me. Then we have this is one of their most fire hoodies that they've released, I feel like, in a while, probably. But yeah, the Supreme, I hope that's embroidered. It looks like it's embroidered, but if it's embroidered all the way through, that's gonna be one dope ass fucking hoodie right there. You have it in this blue, you have the Cobra right there as the S, and you have Supreme all bedazzled and jeweled down, all gold right there. They have it in the blue, red, orange, gray, green, and black. I personally I don't know which color is the best. I kind of like all of them, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be copying one of these because that font and that style is just so sweet, especially with that Cobra being the S. Then we have this logo stripe, a knitted top, not knitted, but knit top. I like the idea of it, but I feel like they came out with better long sleeves like this. The red one is probably my most favorite one just because red is my favorite color, but you have Supreme all right there in the mid region, and then Supreme on the arms right there, and I'm sure it goes all the way through to the back. Then we have these camp caps right here. I do not like that little thing, that little hook, whatever you want to, in the back. And this material looks super weird and I'm not a fan of. The colors are sweet. That yellow one's dope, red one dope. They're all dope, but it's just those things that made this hat not the best one. And then getting into the next piece right here is they got this Goretex Anorak right here. Look, they've released better anoraks. Like, They've released better anoraks, like the yellow camo anorak that I still need for my personal, and I'm gonna get soon, eventually, because I need that. That is one of the dopest anoraks they did release, and it's probably my favorite one. You have it in this brown right here, you have it in a black, and you have it in this gray. On the gray one, it's kind of like this graph paper. Oh, well, I guess they're all like graph paper. It kind of, they have these graph paper lines all going through it, and I'm not really a fan of that. This probably the one that I would go for is the black, just because that looks the most normal and most decent. But yeah, I feel like they could have done a lot more with this anorak, and just I feel like they went lazy with it. Next we got this small box crew neck. This is just one of their crew necks, just with a small box logo right here in the chest. Chest, the left chest. These are always gonna sell out just because it has that little Supreme box logo on it, and these aren't anything crazy. You know, they release these every season, so it's not anything we haven't seen before. Then we have these Maillard beanies. I think if I didn't butcher that name. I have it in the black, and this gradient blue, this like gradient gray, red, white, and then there's like gradient purple-ish one. I'm not really a fan of it just because the material looks like it would itch my head the entire time I would have it on. But I think it's just because I'm not familiar with the material of it. But that white one does look nice, and you can never go wrong with the black beanie. Then we have probably the most hypest accessory of this season. One of the most hyped accessories of this season, and just because it's only $60, you know, this is gonna hit. It's gonna sell out immediately. Is the Supreme burner phone. They have it in a black and red. So look, if you're doing all that narcotic stuff and all that illegal stuff that you need a burner phone like this, now you can do it with some style and some swag and just some flex. You can flex on them hard, you know, just answer that call, boom, throw it away. And then boom, just pick up the black one if you grab two. But yeah, this is definitely a piece that I'm gonna be going for. Probably for my personal, but I'll most likely end up selling it because I don't need a phone like this. And to be spending $60 on a phone that I'm not gonna be using, you know, it's just, I mean, I just might as well sell it. Then we have this hanging lantern right here. I actually like this, and I might get it for the personal just to hang in my room and just have it because it's actually pretty dope. And I wish they would have probably came out with like a different color and not just red, but I love red, so I'm not complaining, but I wish they would have more options. But they have the classic red Supreme right there down the middle. It's classic hanging lantern, nothing crazy. But yeah, it's only $38, so you know I'm gonna be going for it. Yeah. Alright, so that is it for this week's Supreme drop list. It's not one of the biggest, but it's definitely one of the ones. It's definitely one of my favorite ones because of the accessories and that hoodie with the cobra on it. That is absolutely fire. Let's just hope that it's embroidered. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, do all that stuff that I tell you to do at every video that you watch. And I just want to thank everybody that watches my videos, everybody that's subscribed. I only have 49 subscribers, but I don't really care. I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to just watch these videos and support me. You know, that actually means a lot, and I'll be sure to be making more videos for you guys if you guys keep watching. So yeah, we're out. Bye. Excuse me. This actually means a lot, and I'll be peace. I don't know how to do that. Peace. I haven't really I haven't seen the I haven't what the fuck. I haven't even seen what the fuck. I haven't seen